Hey there, how you doing? Hope you're well. Just to let you know, normal service on this channel will resume next week. I'm having a week off my standard cleaning work this week, and so I'm doing a few days away. So right at this moment in time, I'm here. That's right, I'm staying in a yurt. Now I know that that's my tent there. I've been out on a paddling camp with Lee, the Cockney Kayaker, from YouTube yesterday. And so that's just drying out because it got a bit wet. So let's have a quick look in here. Look at this, how posh is this? Double bed tonight. There's a single bed there as well, which I'm using as a table. That's my little table. There's another little table there. Sofa beds there. This is all my gear. Little table here for dining and cooking on. There's a TV, heater. There's some little stoves down there and some gas here, look, and a nice little lamp. Somewhere to hang your togs if you want to. Not bad, eh? And this is at Bullington, just outside Bullington Hall, not far off Lincoln. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing a mosey around Lincoln. I'm going to do some geocaching while I'm here. So it's nice and cozy in here, but outside, yeah, it's a bit misty and murky and cold. Done a couple of geocaches, and now I'm having a bite to eat. Oh yeah. Filthy, filthy. Spectacular that, isn't it? By the way, I'm doing alright so far. Every geocache I've looked for today, I found. Cool. Such a spectacular frontage to this cathedral. And this one is about the 6th or 7th I've found in Lincoln today. Doing well so far. That's 10 caches done today. I'm quite chuffed with that. Time to get some food. Back at the yurt, got my treats, popcorn, wine, sandwiches, sushi, king prawns, and banana, and then there's other stuff too, like chocolate. Oh yeah. I've actually had a good day. I've done 10 geocaches, found successful, each one was a successful one, so really chuffed with that, which is up my total to 130. I'll obviously be releasing the whole thing as a separate video. This is just a quick midweek really update because normal service will resume hopefully Friday or Saturday with an outing video. Should be the bike camp one, I think. I've still got a bit of editing to do on that one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all okay. See you. I'll see you later. See you soon. See you Friday. All right. Cheerio.